friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one find.fibonacci project in Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like in my previous project of Python. But first of all, you have to just hit the subscribe button. Then after that, you have to also hit the notification bell, from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. So it will be also help for you, and it will be also help for me, because from that you will be learning more new things, more new projects, and more new other features in like Python and many other languages which I will be uploading further on, and I hope you will be also enjoying that. So today's project is like find.fibonacci. So this Fibonacci, you will be thinking like, what is this? So this is a number sequence. Okay, like you write number in sequence when we just writing. So like you are also getting like questions in math like write number in sequence. So like that in Fibonacci also we have to just write our numbers in sequence, and there is only one sequence which we are getting in Fibonacci dot py, means find.fibonacci, and in that you have to just write your numbers in sequence, which I will be showing you how to write. For that, first of all, you have to just download some of the extension. You have to just go to terminal. Here you have to write install random, which is really important to write, like I told you previously also, because here I will be writing all the Fibonacci sequence randomly. And here you can see this is coming error because I have just already installed. I am just showing you like how to do that thing and how to install that. Then here you have to also write like Fibonacci, press enter here. Then it will be take some time to just install that. You have to just update this Fibonacci version which I am using here. Now you can see that it was in like 1.59. now it is just changed into 1.0.0, which is a new version of Fibonacci you can just use here. So I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be closing this panel. Now there are two extensions which you have to work with. Here I will be writing the most important one. First of all, I'll be saving this file as Python. Press save, go to local disk C, and I'll be just saving. You can also save in desktop or local disk D, E, F or C. You can also save. So I will be writing here like with the name of like sequence, and I will be writing .py. Then I'll be saving that by pressing save here. So you have to do one thing, like you can also select Python from here, but I will be not doing. I'll be just writing save here. So you can see now our file has been saved and it is looking good. So when you've just done with that things, here I will be coming, and now I will be importing my random which I have just imported. So I'll be writing import random. Then I will be coming underneath and writing a tag which will be import date time. So here I will be writing import date time from, and I will be writing time. So when you've just done that, I will be coming underneath and writing another tag which should be like import I'll be writing import sequence, and I'll be writing from number. So when you've just done that, I will be coming underneath and writing a tag which should be like input, and here I will be changing this to input equal init. Then I will be writing here like that, and here I will be just changing this to like, first of all I will be coming here, then writing input, in which I will be writing init, and in here I will be changing this to like enter the Fibonacci sequence. So I'll be writing that here. So when you just done with that things, you have to write colon and space bar. So here we have just done that. Now when you've just done that, you have to press enter here, and I will be changing this to like init, and I'll be writing equal input. Then you have to just come here and write here like sequence of Fibonacci. So I'll be writing that here. Now when you've just done with that thing there, I will be doing one thing, like I will be writing semicolon, then write like that, come underneath here, and I will be writing that to input. And when you've just done that, I will be writing here like another thing which will be number sequence. I'll be writing that, and here I will be changing that to number of sequence. Then here you have to do that. Then I will be doing one thing, like I'll be coming underneath and writing that to date time. So here I'll be writing date time equal. Then you have to just write here like this sign. Then I will be changing this to like number, and I will be writing number sequence. And when you just done that, I will be writing Fibonacci again. So when you just done that, you have to do one thing, come underneath here, and I will be changing this to another tag which should be print, and I will be printing date time which I have just written at the top here, and I'll be writing like that. So when you've just done that, I will be coming underneath here and writing again, like I'll be just changing this to input, and here I'll be writing like sequence which we have already done. I'll be writing like number should be sequence. So here I'll be writing this, and here when you've just done that, I will be coming underneath and I'll be writing like first of all number, and here I'll be writing the number which we have to use like 55, and I'll be writing 25, and you can write any random number, but it should be of 2 figures. Take care about that. So here I will be writing that, and it should also be not of 1 figure. It should be just only of 2 figures. Just I am telling you again like that. So here when you just start with that things, here you have to write T15, and you can also write like 10 if you want. And here you can write 36. Then I'll be writing 12. Okay, so 36 I have written. So just don't repeat the number which you have just written previous on. So here you have to write 57. Then I'll be writing 50. Here I will be changing this to 60, and the number should be just between 1 to 100 here, and it should be also not above 100 if you write here, so it will be error because it should be just 3 figure number there. So here just take care about that. And here you can also write 100 but not above that here. So now when you've just done with that things, I will be saving here by pressing file, save button, I will be pressing save. So when you've just done with that things, there you have to do nothing, just you have to come underneath here, and here you have to just print number which we have written. So create number. So here when you've just done with that things, you have to go forward and press like enter. Then I will be writing here like random equal number. Then here I will be changing this to like number, and I will be writing, already we have just written. So I'll be writing like sequence, and I'll be writing that sequence B number. And when you've just done with that things here, I will be going forward here, and I'll be writing nothing because it is done. So here I will be just coming underneath also and writing that to init and write input. Then you have to just close that. Then here you have to change it to like number sequence is. Then you have to just write that, come underneath here and write here like Fibonacci. I'll be writing equal, and I'll be changing this to like random, and here I will be writing in that. First of all I'll be writing input, and I'll be writing in that init. Then I'll be writing here random number should be Fibonacci sequence. So here when you've done with that things, you have to do nothing, just you have to write this sign here and just write here like print, and I will be writing here like Fibonacci here. So here I will be writing like that. So here when you just done with that thing, where you have to do like come underneath here and write here like init, and I will be writing here like print. But first of all I will be writing like that and write sequence random number is, and I'll be just writing that, and I will be coming underneath also, then creating a tag again which should be just having like date time, and I'll be writing date time equal time, and in that I will be just defining like another tag which should be just number of random number, means number of random number sequence is. Then I will be writing like that. So now when you've just done with that things, you have to do nothing, save here, and now it is done. So if I just show you in the like command prompts, it will be working really cool here. So just open your command prompt, or you can also go to terminal to run that here. So I will be doing one thing, close that, go to terminal by pressing new terminal button. Then I'll be writing cd desktop, and here I will be writing like cd, and I'll be changing that to all desktop. Then press enter, and here I will be changing this to like Python Fibonacci.py, which is our file name. Okay, so the spelling is incorrect, so I'll be writing correctly like Fibonacci.py. Press enter, and you can see it is all the number coming like in Fibonacci sequence. This is in 3 figures because here it changes its own size to this that, and you can see that automatically our Fibonacci sequence is coming. If I run it again, Python Fibonacci, I'll be writing like that. So here I'll be writing Fibonacci.py, press enter. You can see all the number are coming in that, and here you can see that, and how good looking is that. So like that you can just build your own Fibonacci find out Fibonacci project in Python. So I hope you understand that. Now if I run it again to just show you again, and write .py, press enter, you can see again it is running with the same numbers, and it is also not changing because of this random tag. It is working. If you don't use that, so it will be not working here. So I hope you understand that how to build one find out Fibonacci project in Python, and I hope you also enjoyed this project. Like you enjoying my previous project of Python, just practice these all project we are working with of Python. Then you will be also good programmer of Python like your previous Python, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So just practice that all, and here I will be also uploading one tutorial of Python and Node.js, and I hope you will enjoy that also, and just practice that all. And then I will be just meet you in next project. So for today, so I will be just meet you in next project here.